Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Maury with Momo AI Tools, and in this video, I'm going to be doing a quick review over Fliki. Now, you may be somebody that's looking to start using Fliki, or you just want to do your due diligence and figure out if it's worth your investment or not, or you simply just want to hear somebody's review. Either or, I'm making this video to show you what it is, how it works, the pricings, the pros and cons, and if it's really worth your investment or not, okay? So before I get started, if you have not already, be sure to subscribe to this channel, especially if you found this video useful. And if you like the video, please be sure to leave a thumbs up because that really helps with my ranking and getting me shown more in the YouTube algorithm. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into this video. All right, so what is Fliki? Fliki is simply a text to video AI generator. So what this is able to do is to take your scripts, your texts, your blog articles, and convert them all into videos, okay? And it can also read off your text, your blogs, your tweets, your scripts with a lot of different AI voiceovers. So this could be beneficial for somebody that does not like showing their face or speaking on their videos. So if you are somebody that wants to make a YouTube faceless channel where you don't have to show your face or you don't have to talk, this may be a perfect tool for you. So this is how the landing page looks like. As you can see, they cater to a wide variety. They do have 75 plus languages, and they have 900 plus voices that you can use. And they are lifelike text to speech voices. And they're able to convert your blog articles into videos as well. So that is a very good thing. Now, you are more than welcome to get started for free. I went ahead and left a link down in the description below for you to get started for free. And if you want to also check out my top recommended AI video converter or video editor, be sure to check that down below too, because the one that I'm recommending does a lot more than this for around the same price, okay? So we see here we do have the pricing. Now they have 4 different packaging plans. You have free, basic, standard, which is clearly the most popular, and then premium. Now with the free version, which they do have free forever, you only get up to 5 minutes of audio and video content per month, which is kind of a bummer because if you really want to take editing videos or uploading content seriously, 5-minute video per month is just not going to cut it, okay? You're able to create realistic voiceover using AI. You can create videos using text. You can import blog articles to tweets and things like that. And then with the free version, you do have that watermark, which I know most people don't really like that watermark. So if you want to get rid of the watermark, then you're going to have to get the standard, because even with the basic, even though it doesn't say it, I'm pretty sure the basic one still has that watermark. Talking about the basic, you do get 120 minutes of audio content per month, which is way better than the free one, because with the free one you only get 5, and then with the basic you get 120. You do get access to those 900 voices in 75 languages, and then you get a couple other things too. Now with the standard package, it is audio and video too. With the basic, it's just audio only. Standard, it is audio and video, okay? So standard, you get everything in the basic plus some extra stuff. Like for example, you get 180 minutes of audio and video content per month, which is it's more minutes, but plus you get the video content, okay? You get to create video using text. You get to create video of length up to 15 minutes. And then, like I said, there's no watermark. And then you get access to millions of premium images video clips, and music assets that are supposedly supposed to be royalty free. All right, so with the premium, you get audio and video. You get everything that the standard package has, plus a couple more things, like you do get 600 minutes of audio and video content per month. Now, you are able to create videos up to 30-minute in length, and then you can clone videos. You can have faster exports, API access, and then you have that dedicated account manager, and then you have priority email and chat support. Okay, so those are the 4 pricing plans. Now, if you want to do the monthly, you can. And then if you want to just do the year, you can too. Of course, with the year, you do save 25% off. Okay. And yeah, so as you can see down here, we do have a couple of cases that this tool is used for, like blog to video, text to speech, voiceover video, video cloning, podcast, audiobook, tweets, and then some other cases as well. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is go ahead and log in. All right, so this is what the back office looks like. So one of the pros that I like about Fliki is that it's pretty simple to use. I like that it does have podcasts, which I have not seen so far. I have not seen any video AI tool that actually has podcasts and books. So I thought that was pretty cool. Okay. Now you have the studio, and then you have your account. Now, as you can see here, I just have the free version because I'm just playing around in it, because I have a way better tool that I use, but I just wanted to show you this. So like I said, with the free version, you only get 5 minutes. And so far I've used 0.9 of my credits. So I'm at 19%. And yeah, if I ever want to upgrade, I can. You have some rewards, the profile, and then you can also create teams. So you can add team members and things like that. You have voice cloning, which one thing that I like about this tool is that AI will AI will create a voiceover for you. So what you do is, if you want to clone your voice, you can speak into it, and then it'll be able to clone your voice. That way, if you don't want to use any of these AI voiceovers, what it can do is play your voice and just speak the text through your voice, which I thought that was pretty cool. And then you do have the API integration and things like that. And then here's the studio. And so let me just come in here and show y'all. So for example, we have weight loss. So as you can see here, it has a script, and then it has these videos. And I will be making another video showing you how to use it. But for this video, I don't want to make it too long. I'm just more so showing you the back end of it. So it's able to create script to video for you. And then also, if you have a blog idea, you can type in a short description of your blog idea, and then you can submit it. If you want it to be a minute long, you can get it to 5 minutes, and then 10 minutes long. Okay. Also, if you have an actual blog, you can paste this blog link, which I'll be showing you on another video, and then it will create a video for you. So I'll be showing you how to use that as well. And then you also have tweet to video, which I think that's pretty cool too. Okay. Then you have some background music, things like that. You can translate. Okay. So from what I'm seeing so far, going back to the pros and cons, I like the simplicity of it. I like that it's able to do podcasts and books. And then, of course, I like that it's able to do blog to video and things like that. Now, so far, one of the things that I do not like about it, which you'll see on another video, when you are converting a blog to video, you have to go in there and get those pictures and get those stock video footages yourself, which I didn't really like that. And then I also don't like that it doesn't allow you to like cut certain things, add certain things. Like for example, in video, you're able, which I'll leave a link in the description to that video or leave a card somewhere up here. But within video, you're able to get more hands-on and more in-depth with your storyboard. So you can cut and paste and shorten things and add text over things. And it's just way better. Um, so far, what I'm seeing with Fliki, it's still very new and it still has things that it needs to add on to it. So that's a con for me right off the bat. Going back to a pro, I like that it has a AI voiceover for you, so you're able to do your own voiceover. Like you can speak into it and it will clone your voice. I really like that too. So that's another pro. But for so far, is it worth your investment? It just depends. If you are new to editing and you don't want anything complicated or anything like that, this would be a great stepping stone or stepping tool for you. But if you're somebody that's a little bit more advanced or you just want more features and more hands-on to really get in there and edit your videos how you want them to be, then I would strongly recommend trying out the link down below. You'll see it should say top recommended AI video editor. I'll leave a link below in the description for that as well. So pretty simple tool to use, nothing really fancy to it. It's just very simple. And yeah, so that's Fliki. Like I said, I will be making a follow-up video to this, just showing you how to do blog to video and script to video and things like that. And with that being said, if you found this video useful, leave it a thumbs up. Please comment any video that you would like me to review next. If you want me to do Fliki versus InVideo, Fliki versus Pictory, or anything like that, be sure to leave a link. Be sure to leave a comment down below in the description. And with that being said, I'll see you on the next video. Peace.